Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akani Thusani. If it is your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, of course you're welcome. This is a home. Welcome once more. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a get to know me video. It is a mukbang video where I basically just eat. I've got myself some McDonald's. I've got chicken licken. I got some wings with chips. Oh, and it was my birthday yesterday, so I got some cake. Oh my god, there. I've got vanilla, I've got red velvet, and I've got some carrot cake. And I got some pizza, triple decker, something meaty, and creamy chicken. So I'm gonna be answering a few questions that I got from people, basically about me. The first question will be, okay, wait, before I start on the questions, let me just open up my McD. I haven't had McDonald's in forever, so I got a quarter pounder, chips, and some cool drink. They're cold now. McDonald's chips are not nice when they're cold. Oh my god. Is this thing even recording? Yeah, it is. I can smell the cheese. Ketchup. I just pray to God I'm not going to be sick after this. These are just basic normal questions about me. So the first one is, what is my name and what's my surname? Okay, my name is Akani. My surname is Thusani. Spelled with an I, which is wrong actually. My surname is actually spelled with an E, but the Home Affairs did their things. I need to get that fixed, but well, not now. So my age, or what is your age? I am 29 today. Actually, it's the first day I'm 21. I'm 29. I turned 29 yesterday on the 20th of June. Oh, it's actually nice that it's actually 20 June 2020. I was very excited about that, but oh well, I'm just weird like that. The next question is, what does your name mean? My name, guys, I'm gonna have to talk with food in my mouth, so bear with me, please. I'm sorry. My name means build. Akani means build, which in Sotho will be, or Tswana, whatever. It will be Agang. Akani is Zulu. Yeah, build. It means build. I don't know what I'm building, but I'm building something. The fourth question is, where are you from? Are you South African? Yes, I am South African. I am from South Africa. Born, bred. I'm South African. I get that question a lot, and a lot of people actually think that I'm not South African. Because, I don't know, they just assume I'm not South African because of the way I look, apparently. I get a lot of people that tell me that, oh, you look Kenyan. Oh, are you not from the DRC? No. I am South African. Proudly South Africa. Well, I wouldn't mind to be from anywhere else, but I'm South African. The last time I had wings, I had zinger wings from KFC. Oh my god. I was sick the whole day. I don't know why. Okay. The fifth question is, what language do you speak? Nimchangan. Tsonga. I don't know. A lot of some people get offended when they say Shangani. I don't know why, but whatever. Tsonga, Shangani, you name it, whatever. Tsonga, Nimchangana. No. I'm South Africa. I'm Tsonga. I am from Bushbuck Ridge. Tsonga from Bushbuck Ridge. People always assume that when you Tsonga, you are from Guyana. No. I'm Tsonga from Bushbuck Ridge. Number 6 is, are you Christian, or what's your religion, I guess? I am Christian, actually. I am from a family that's Christian, a family that believes in God. We pray, we go to church. I was raised the Christian way. Yeah. 10 Commandments. I'm Christian, born again, baptized. I am not perfect. I do wrong. I'm human. But I'm Christian. I'm born again. Proudly Christian, born again. And then number 7. Let's have some pizza. I'm gonna have the creamy chicken because that's my favorite. I'm a mess. Doesn't it look good? Oh my god, look at the cheese. For the longest time, I never ate cheese. So that's another topic for another day. Don't you dare fall on me. Number 7. Are you single? Are you married? Ever been married? I think I need to take a sip. Because just now I might say I'm single and there's somebody out there who's dating me. I'm just kidding. I'm sitting on the floor, by the way. I'm single. I am single. Single and happy. Single and ready to mingle. Yeah, I'm single. I am single. I think if the question was, I don't know, but I'm single, I'm not in a relationship. So if you think we're in a relationship, though, it's either I'm lying to you or you're lying to yourself. I'm single. I'm single, period. Like, I am single. I'm single, yes. Talking to someone, yes, I am. I believe in marriage, definitely. I do want to get married one day, obviously. Everybody does. Well, not everybody, but I mean that I want to get married statistics. I think I'm saving the cake for last because it's dessert. Okay, I am single, ready to mingle or meet someone nice. Genuine. Okay. Yeah. Number 8. Do you have a child? Yes, I don't have a child. I've got kids. I've got 2 kids. I've got 2 baby girls. I'll probably just put up a picture so that you guys can see. I've got 2 kids, 11 and 2 years old. Number 9. Have you always had no hair? I do have hair actually. There you can see I've got hair. But I think, have you always had like a brush cut, or have you always cut your hair? No, I actually cut my hair last year, 2019, on the 25th of December, Christmas Day. I just woke up and was like, I'm doing this, I'm cutting my hair. Excuse me. I just woke up and I told my uncle to cut my hair, and I shaved it off. I've had hair. I'll put up a picture of where I've got hair so that you guys can see. Oh, number 10. I saved this one for last because a lot of people ask me about it, which is weird because I don't know. It's, are your eyes really hazel? No, my eyes are dark brown. I wouldn't say black, they're just dark brown. These are contact lenses. I actually had one person that said, do your eyes change color? Is that even normal, guys? Like, is it possible? Or maybe it is. I just don't know about it. But hey, so my eyes are black or dark brown. I don't know. I wear contact lenses because I can't see. I used to wear glasses, so I just play around, make it fun even though it's not fun. I wear hazel, which I'm wearing now. I wear blue ones. I'll put up a picture. And I also wear clear ones. But because of this whole contact thing that's going around with corona, apparently you're not supposed to touch your eyes often. So I'm waiting for glasses. I'm gonna get my glasses soon. Yeah, and I'm gonna go for another checkup soon. I already went for one, but I'm just going back again. And then, no, I actually did a video, a day in my life video, where I went to the optometrist. Let me have some dessert. There's it. So I'm just gonna eat. Oh, and also somebody asked me if I work. Yes, I do work. I work for Wax It. You can say it's a spa for hair removal. We wax. Well, I don't wax, but yeah, that's what's done there. The carrot cake is really good. And the vanilla. I'm gonna be sick. It's already long. I think I need to end this video. We're already 17 minutes in. One more bite. Great velvet. Thank you guys so much for watching and getting to know me. If there's something that you want me to, I don't know, do for my next video or whatever, please comment down below, say something, be nice, like, subscribe. And yes, I'll be posting this video tomorrow because I don't think there's much editing to do. I'm gonna post it first thing tomorrow morning. It is a Sunday, by the way. I didn't go to church because our church is still closed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Please do comment, like, and subscribe, and you can share the video if you want to. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.